The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Economy. Develop a prosperous and diversified economy to reduce the country's dependence on oil export revenues. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition, one of the most important monuments and landmarks not only at the level of the Kuwait Oil Company, but also in Kuwait in general. The exhibition recognizes the important historical role Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah played in shaping modern Kuwait. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition is named after Kuwait's 10th ruler. The exhibition serves to answer any questions to the public may have about oil and gas and the important functions they play in our modern lives. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition opened on the 17th of October 2016, which is located at the entrance of Ahmedi. The completion percentage of the Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition is 100%. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition encompasses a total area larger than 60,000 square meters. The center holds exquisite displays and exhibits to make it one of the jewels in the region's crown. A key aim of the exhibition is to encourage young people to explore careers in the oil industry. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition includes the latest technologies. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition serves a broader segment of the community, particularly students and researchers.
The government has launched a new long-term development plan dubbed New Kuwait Vision 2035. The launch of New Kuwait Vision 2035 represents a second attempt by the government to transform Kuwait into a regional financial and commercial hub for the Northern Gulf. Here from New Kuwait government account, completion of 97.2% of the Jaber Bridge project, Doha Link. Abdullah Salim Culture Center wins award for Best Engineering Projects in the Middle East and North Africa. The city of South Sabah Al Ahmed of the modern and upgraded projects in Kuwait. For more information or details regarding Kuwait Development Plan, please visit the website on the screen.
A loan agreement was signed between the Republic of Nicaragua and Kuwait Fund for Arab Economic Development, whereby the fund will extend a loan of 8,500,000 Kuwaiti dinars to help finance the construction and equipment of Chinandega Departmental Hospital project in the Republic of Nicaragua. The loan agreement was signed on behalf of the Republic of Nicaragua by Minister of Finance and Public Credit and on behalf of the fund by Deputy Director General of the Kuwait Fund for Arab Economic Development. The project aims to support the social and economic development of the Chinandega department by meeting the increasing demand and improving the quality, coverage, and access to secondary healthcare services in the department. The project comprises the construction and equipment of a new 300-bed department hospital on a 5.5-hectare site about 8 kilometers southwest of Chinandega to replace the existing maternal pediatric hospital Mauricio Abdallah and the medical surgery hospital Ispanana. The project also includes institutional support for capacity, building and consulting services for design and supervision of construction and equipment of the hospital. The project is expected to be accomplished toward the end of the year 2017. The total cost of the project is estimated at about 28 million Kuwaiti dinars, of which 21 million of foreign currency, which represents about 76% of the total costs of the project. The fund's loan will cover about 30% of the total cost of the project. The Central American Bank for Economic Integration is also willing to contribute in financing the project by extending a loan of about 54 million US dollars. The government of Nicaragua is committed to cover the remaining cost of the project. The loan will be paid for a period of 24 years, including 4 years of grace period, and will be amortized in 40 semi-annual installments. The loan bears interest at 1.5% per annum, in addition to 0.5% per annum to cover administrative and other expenses incurred in the implementation of the loan agreement. By signing this loan agreement, this will be the first loan extended by the fund to Republic of Nicaragua. Al Ghanim International, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, has commissioned NBBJ and Gulf Consult to undertake the design of the Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building. The project was launched on March 23, 2014 and is 100% fully completed. This project, located adjacent to the existing KCC facility within the Shweikh Medical District between Jamal Abdel Nasser Street and Al Jahra Road. The project is located on an area of 64.670 square meters, while the space of Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building is 301.674 square meters of the total area. The new 618-bed facility will be built to the latest modern healthcare specifications in order to maximize patient recovery and medical staff performance. The 15-story building includes all the relevant departments essential to a state-of-art cancer treatment facility, including radiology, surgery, laboratories, pharmacy, physiotherapy, and psychology. The building also incorporates inpatient and outpatient facilities. The outpatient functions are zoned in the west building, closest to the building entry, and parking garage for easy access. The design considers environmental aspects and aims to achieve the silver rating requirements of the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED rating system. The sustainability of the interior design relies on natural light, views, and selection of materials. The south facade, which has the most continuous sun exposure, has deeper shading to protect its glazed areas. Exterior shades are being designed to maintain generous views to the outside. Green roofs are also introduced to provide improved views to patients and staff. The atrium roof has likewise been adjusted with green roof areas to allow for a better connection to nature for patients on upper floors. The open space available on site and the courtyards adjacent to the atrium space will provide an exterior shaded area off the main interior spaces in the hospital. Shaded areas are being provided for patients and staff to rest while they're waiting to be picked up. All these features will create a facility which will promote healing through technology and nature with limited adverse effect to the environment. Car parking of the project accommodates 1,950 cars. The cost of Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building project is 172.959 million Kuwaiti dinars.
The Kuwait Cancer Center is a newly proposed state-of-the-art medical facility catering to cancer diagnosis and treatment. Located in Al Sabah Medical District in Kuwait City, this iconic landmark is said to become one of the largest cancer treatment centers in the world. And as social media responses toward Kuwait Cancer Center, please let's read together up on the screen. Ghalia Dhifiri said, Al Sabah Hospital and Kuwait Cancer Center project in Kuwait. And from Gulf Development account, it's one of the best health centers specializing in cancer treatment, is located in the Sabah area, and it will be a great addition to the service in health in Kuwait, and it's expected to be completed by the Ministry of Health in 2018 at a total cost of about 175 million dinars. And from Mashru'a Kuwaiti account, Kuwait Cancer Center is a new hospital being implemented and one of the world's largest cancer treatment centers and completed in 2018. And from Ministry of Health media account, total number of the beds in the Kuwait Cancer Center development to 1,282 beds. Here George said professional treatment for cancer, and Mohammed Ghanem said professional healthcare providers. And in the end, from New Kuwait government account, the future of healthcare in Kuwait.